How to reset the tire pressure sensors, the TPMS sensors on a Citroen C4. This is a 2019 Citroen C4 Cactus. So you're going to want to do this when you replace your sensors, and also if the sensor goes off on the screen and then you get the tire pressure correct, you may need to reinitialize the sensors. And we're going to do that from, wherever you're at on here, whatever screen you're at, it doesn't matter. We're just going to come over and hit the car icon, and we're going to get this car screen here. And then from here, you'll see they have this under inflation initialization. It's kind of a funny way to say it, but anyways, we're just going to hit this here, and it's going to say, make sure you have adjusted the pressure of 4 tires. So don't do this unless you know that the pressure is correct, because it's going to calibrate everything to that pressure. Once you do that, you hit the yes button, everything will be initialized and you'll be good to go. So if this video helped, if you hit me a like, I'd really appreciate it, and subscribe for more short tutorials like this on this car and others.